Subramaniam Shankaran. AI, okay, it's a monster that we're actually dealing with. Defensive AI and offensive AI, okay, they both are in place. In fact, January 2026, the last month, we witnessed an attack called as an reprompt attack. Okay, this reprompt attack, okay, combines multiple attacks as a part of. Actually, no. Okay, it combines what is called the phishing. It combines what is called the phishing, then cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, and then the Trojan. Okay, I'll tell you how it actually works. It was actually targeted on Microsoft Copilot, and they actually fixed the vulnerability. But it could happen for any other platform. Okay. Now the first thing is, there is a link that comes on email or by any other media, smishing attack, okay, or phishing attack, whatever it is. Okay. The victim clicks on that email, and that email is for copilot.microsoft.com. Okay, there is a query parameter is equal to a query. Now it bypasses because the link is legitimate. Okay, they click on the link and it bypasses the guardrail. Okay, the Microsoft Copilot. Okay, now the transaction enters inside. Now this link, okay, it comes as a phishing, and this link has got the query parameter. It's very similar to the cross-site scripting. Because the user clicks on it, it enters, okay, the target server. Okay, it is treated and it's then based on the same origin policy like a cross-site request forgery. Okay, the phishing, then cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery. Okay, now this Q parameter has got the hidden instructions to be executed on the target server. Okay, so it becomes like a Trojan. The impact is even after the user is going to close that particular browser window, okay, it still executes. The Trojan can send the instruction back and forth, okay, because it is based on the same origin policy like how the cross-site request forgery is. Back and forth the instructions are actually sent between the victim and the server. Okay, it steals a lot of information. Now this attack is called as a reprompt engineering because the attack does not happen, okay, on the first step. It happens on the second step. And usually when the first step is passed through, okay, authenticate and authorize, we don't authorize the second step. Okay, there's a trick that is actually maintained for the reprompt engineering as of February 2026. Okay, or as of now, we are on what, 23rd of January. Okay, as of 23rd of January 2026, this vulnerability has been fixed, but we need to keep our ears open for any such vulnerability or similar journal coming up. Okay, thank you very much. This is Subramaniam Shankaran. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel for more news on AI and AI security. Cheers.